Okay, here we are, and it's time to put on the second drench of the Honey Bee Healthy directly onto the frames and the hives. So I'm going to open this one up first. I have to take out a couple of frames, and then we're going to use the stronger version of the Honey Bee Healthy mixed with sugar water to just sprinkle, spray, and drench over the top. So I'll start by removing the cover here, and we'll slow down a bit because it's good to stay calm while we're doing this. And you can come closer and we'll take a look right in the hive as I open this up. Why don't you come off to the side so you're not standing right in front, and that'll be good. And then we'll take a picture right down in here when it's okay. Here are the menthol crystals. There is the wintergreen grease patty. And here's a couple of frames that I did to combine some bees earlier, and I think I'm going to remove them today. I don't see a big need to keep them in because we're going to be wintering them soon. And then I'll pull off this bucket here just to see if we have anything coming out the bottom. They glued that down. Oh yeah.
Good, good, good.
Yep. Okay.
Good.
Now, you can back up, and you need to stay focused on that video there, Dad. Okay, now it's time to spray some of the Honey Bee Healthy, so you can come in closer here, and we'll take a look down in here.
You want to put the pail in again?
No, I'm going to put the drench on, so I want you to look down in the hive as I squirt the drench on. Okay, so now that I've done some of that, I'm going to come and I'm just going to do a drizzle. Once again, I don't know if you can see down in there. I want you to make sure you're looking down in there. And I'll get this down to the 8-ounce level, and that's why I'm not going to spray the whole thing. It's just too much. It's a lot, and it's a very strong smell. And there we go. So now we're going to put the pail back on. And we'll put this back on. And we'll seal it up. In a couple of days, we'll be wrapping this for winter. By doing it today, this allows them to clean up all that mess, and the whole goal is that the essential oils in the honeybee healthy at that strength, they don't like it. So they do everything they can to clean it up, and that will help with mites and other disease prevention. So that's it for this hive. I'm going to leave these frames outside, and then we'll come back in a day or two or in a night or two, and things will have calmed down. So, okay, thank you.